Hi, I'm Steve Friedman with Rockstar Excel. Sometimes blank cells in Excel start acting weird. I'm going to show you why that happens and how to fix it. What do I mean by acting weird? Let me demonstrate. Here I've got two columns. In column B, every other cell is a correctly behaving blank cell. And in column F, every other cell is a messed up blank cell. These cells look exactly the same. When I click into them and look at the formula bar, there's no way to tell them apart. But they behave differently. Here's some examples. The count_a function is supposed to count non-blank cells. When I use it in column B, it returns a 5 because it's counting the 5 ones. But when I use it in column F, it returns a 10, counting the blank cells even though it's not supposed to. I actually once had an awkward moment in a class with this error when I was demonstrating count_a and then it did something totally different from what I said it would. It's the same with the status bar. Here, it's counting the non-blank cells and it tells you there's 5 of them. But here, it tells you there's 10 non-blank cells. There's also weirdness if you try to do math. For example, if I just do equals that plus 1, and fill that down, it gives me 2s and 1s because Excel treats blank cells as 0 for math. But when I try to do this for column F, just do that plus 1 and fill that down, it gives me a bunch of value errors, which is what happens when you try to do math with text strings. And if I use the isBlank function, equals if isBlank F3, comma, quote, blank, comma, not blank, it's going to tell me this is not blank, even though when you click in the cell, it looks blank. You can also see a difference with lookups. If I just were to do a quick X lookup here, equals X lookup, comma, and let's do the right there, and fill that down. It returns zeros, which is what happens when you try to look up a blank cell. But if you do it here, equals X lookup, that, comma, here, and fill this down, it's going to give you NA errors. However, Excel's not consistent about this. So if I go here and filter it to blank cells, it's going to return these messed up blank cells, which is exactly the same as what would happen if I went here and filtered to the blank cells. So you've got these cells that look blank, but don't behave like blank cells, except sometimes they do behave as blank cells. So what's going on here? Well, these messed up blank cells are actually what's called empty text strings. You can get them sometimes when you import data, and the other way to get them is if you put equals quote quote in a cell, and then you copy paste value. So if we go to paste special here and value, and now you see this count_a is showing a 1, even though here this cell appears blank. And then once I have this text string, if I were to say copy and paste it or fill it down, then I would have more of these messed up blank cells. Fortunately, once you know what's happening, it's very easy to fix. The quickest way to fix it is to just highlight the cells that are giving you a problem, and then press the delete button on your keyboard. But make sure you're not pressing the delete button on the home ribbon here. That does something different than pressing delete on your keyboard. Now, if your messed up blank cells are mixed in with other cells like in here, you can filter to select just the blank cells and then highlight them and then press delete on your keyboard. And then once you remove the filter, it will be fixed. Let me just undo that. The other way to fix this is with text to columns. So if you go ahead and highlight the column and then go to Data, Text to Columns, and then you want to select Delimited, and then you want to make sure here under Delimiters that nothing is checked. So you have no delimiter. And then you click Next, and you want to make sure that column data format is general, which will be the default. And then you click Finish, and that will get rid of those empty text strings. That was how to fix it when blank cells are acting weird. Please like and subscribe, and check out rockstarexcel.com. Our Excel Made Easy class typically runs every other month. You can also sign up for our newsletter for tips on using Excel to make your life easier. You can submit questions for a future video, and you can book a free consultation to learn how we can save you time and money. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned so that we can help make you an Excel rockstar.